In this video we are going to make an easy but very interesting effect which is called parallax. We have 3 layers and the elements are already vectored. These elements are foreground, midground and the background. We add a keyframe on frame 100 on all the layers using F6. Please see the video. On the first frame, we move the elements on the 3 layers in such a way that the scene will look like it is from a low angle. Please see the video carefully. After this is done, we add a keyframe on frame 15 on all 3 layers. We select random frames in between, right-click and click on Create Classic Tween from the menu. We select Random Tween Frames and go to Classic Ease in the Properties tab. We click on Ease Out and select Cubic Ease Out from the menu. Please follow the video. Let's look what this looks like. One interesting thing you can do is blur the foreground layer to add more depth. For that, we select Foreground Layer and go to Filters in the Properties tab and select Blur from the menu. You can choose the values as per your preference. Thanks for watching.